Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Nora.
And I'm George. Hello, everyone.
How are you today, George?
Honestly, a little tired, but happy.
Tired and happy? That's an interesting mix.
Yeah, I'll explain that in a second. How about you?
I'm doing great, actually. This morning, I tried something new. I woke up and spoke only English to myself, even while making tea. It felt strange at first, but by the end, it felt normal.
Wait, you talk to yourself in English every single morning?
Almost every morning. It helps my brain wake up faster.
Okay, that explains a lot about you. So here's my story. Yesterday, I called a restaurant to order food. The person answered and my brain just stopped, completely stopped. I knew the words, I had practiced them before, but my mouth froze. I said, for maybe 10 seconds, then I just hung up.
Oh no, George. That's so relatable, though.
I know. I knew the English, I just couldn't say it fast enough.
That happens to so many people, honestly. It's not about knowing words.
Then what is it about?
It's about training your mouth, not just your brain.
Wait, training my mouth? Like some kind of exercise?
Kind of. Today, we're learning how to speak English without thinking so hard.
But first, if this episode is helping you already, go ahead and tap that like button.
And subscribe too, so this journey doesn't stop here for you. Okay, George, let's go back to your phone call for a second. When the person answered, what were you actually doing inside your head?
I was translating, I think, from my language into English word by word.
That's exactly the problem, and it's a very common one. Think about making a sandwich from zero every single time you're hungry. You'd have to get bread, cut vegetables, cook something, and build it slowly. By the time it's ready, you're tired and maybe not even hungry anymore.
Okay, now I'm hungry, but I understand the picture.
That's what your brain was doing on that phone call, building the sentence piece by piece, live, under pressure, with someone waiting.
Right, and that's exactly when everything froze in my head.
So instead, we use something simple, ready-made phrases, like ready-made meals. You don't cook them fresh each time, you just heat and use them.
Ready-made phrases? Can you give me one example?
Sure. Instead of building, I would like to order food, please, you just keep one ready block, can I get, and finish it fast. Can I get a coffee? Can I get the bill? Can I get some water?
Wait, so I don't build the sentence every time?
Exactly. Your mouth already knows, can I get, like a habit. You just add the last little piece and the sentence is done.
That actually feels lighter already, like less work for my brain.
That's the whole point. Less thinking, more natural, automatic speaking.
Okay, let me try. Can I get a tea, please?
See? No pause, no freezing, no translating in your head.
That felt so much easier than my restaurant phone call.
And this is just one small piece of training your mouth.
Wait, there's more? What else is there?
Oh, there's something even more powerful coming up next. It's the exact drill that helps people stop pausing completely mid-sentence.
Wait, now you have to tell me. You can't just stop there.
Patience, George. It's coming right up, I promise you that. Okay, George, remember that powerful drill I mentioned?
Yes, tell me now, please. I've been waiting.
It's called shadowing. Have you heard that word before?
Shadowing? Like following someone's shadow around?
Kind of. You follow someone's voice right after them.
I don't understand yet. Can you explain it more simply?
Sure. You listen to a sentence, then repeat it immediately. Not tomorrow, not after thinking. Right after you hear it. Instantly.
Like an echo, just copying the sound right away.
Yes, exactly like an echo. That's a perfect way to see it.
But why does repeating instantly help my mouth so much?
Think about learning to ride a bicycle for the first time. You didn't study the balance in your head before you tried. Your body just practiced, fell, adjusted, and slowly learned the movement.
Right. Nobody thinks about balance once they've ridden enough times.
Speaking works the same way. Your mouth needs real repetition, not just rules.
So shadowing trains my mouth like riding trains my legs.
Exactly. You just made that connection yourself, George.
Can we actually try it right now, together?
Yes, let's try one short sentence. Ready? I had a great day.
I had a great day.
Good. Now faster, right after me. I had a great day.
I had a great day.
See? Your mouth is already moving faster and smoother.
Wait, that actually felt different from normal practice.
That's because your brain isn't stopping to translate anything at all.
It's just copying the shape of the sentence, right?
Exactly right. Shape, rhythm, and sound all together naturally.
Okay, but can I use shadowing without another person helping me?
Yes, you can shadow videos, podcasts, or even this podcast episode.
Wait, people shadow us? That's actually kind of amazing.
It really is. And here's something small but very important.
What is it? You're doing the mystery thing again.
Fair enough. Don't shadow long, difficult sentences at first.
Why not? Wouldn't longer sentences help me improve faster?
Think about lifting heavy bags at the grocery store too early. You'd drop something, feel tired, and maybe stop shopping completely that day.
Okay, I see it. Start light, then build up slowly.
Perfect. Short sentences first. Your mouth needs to warm up.
This is honestly making so much sense now, step by step.
I'm glad, George. And there's one more small secret left.
Another one? How many secrets do you have today?
Just one more, but it's the one people forget most.
Now I really can't stop listening. What is it?
It's about when you practice, not just how you practice.
Wait, timing matters too? I never thought about that.
It really does, and it connects perfectly to your phone call story.
Interesting. I have a feeling I already made this mistake.
You might have, but don't worry, it's a very easy to fix.
Okay, now I'm actually a little nervous to hear this one.
Don't be nervous. It's a simple, small change.
All right, I'm ready. Let's find out what it is.
Good, because once you know it, speaking feels so much lighter.
That's exactly what I need right now, honestly.
I know, and it leads perfectly into what we'll practice together.
Wait, we're actually going to practice it ourselves?
Yes, very soon. You'll try it in a real situation.
Now I'm actually excited, not nervous anymore. Let's keep going.
That's the spirit, George. Let's move straight into it now. Okay, here's the timing secret I promised, George.
Finally, tell me, please, I'm ready this time.
Most people only practice speaking when they feel fully ready.
Isn't that normal? Why would that be a problem?
Because real conversations never wait for you to feel ready.
Oh, like my phone call, it just happened suddenly.
Exactly. Nobody warned you first. It just started right away.
So what should I do instead? Just practice more randomly?
Yes, practice in small, random moments during your normal day.
Like when? Give me an example, please. Something simple.
While making tea, say what you're doing out loud in English.
I am making tea now. Just say it to myself?
Exactly like that. Small, quick, no pressure, no audience watching.
Wait, that's basically what you do every morning.
Yes, that's why it felt so normal to me.
Oh, so your morning habit trains your mouth daily, quietly.
You got it. Small moments build big confidence over time.
This is honestly the most important part of everything today.
It really is, because these three things work together perfectly.
Ready phrases, shadowing, and small daily moments, all connected, right?
Exactly right. And now, let's actually try one together live.
Wait, right now? Like a real phone call again?
Yes, but a friendly version. I'll be the restaurant person.
Okay, deep breath. I think I can do this now.
Ready? Hello, thank you for calling. What would you like today?
Can I get a pizza, please?
Good! No long freeze this time. That's real progress.
That actually felt so much easier than yesterday's call.
Let's try one more. Would you like anything to drink?
Can I get a water, please? Thank you.
Impressed! See that? Fast, natural, and completely automatic sounding.
I didn't even think about grammar that time.
That's the goal. Your mouth is already learning the shape.
One more? I actually want to keep practicing this now.
Sure. Anything else for you today? Go ahead, answer naturally.
No, that's all. Thank you very much for your help.
Perfect, George. That was smooth from start to end.
I can't believe how different that felt just now.
That's what happens when your mouth trains, not just your brain.
Okay, let me recap everything just to make sure I've got it.
Go ahead. I'm listening carefully.
First, use ready phrases like can I get instead of building sentences. Second, shadow short sentences repeating right after hearing them like an echo. Third, practice in small daily moments, even while making tea or coffee.
That's a perfect summary. You really understood everything today.
I actually feel calmer about phone calls already, honestly.
That's exactly the goal of everything we practiced together today.
Thank you for explaining it so clearly, step by step.
Of course, George. That's what these conversations are here for. All right, that's it for today's episode, everyone.
If this helped you even a little, show us with a quick like.
And if you're new here, subscribing means you won't miss the next one.
Before we go, here's a question for you in the comments.
What's one small moment where you could practice English today? Maybe while cooking, walking, or even brushing your teeth. Tell us.
We genuinely love to read your answers, so please share them.
Until next time, keep practicing one small moment at a time.
See you soon, everyone. Bye for now. Bye, everyone.